Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start off with the first chapter of Geography 2059/2 O-Levels Pakistan Studies, and the topic that we are going to discuss today is land of Pakistan. And in the chapter Natural Topography, we are going to cover the northern and northwestern mountains. So the contents that we will be covering today is the world map. We are going to see the location of Pakistan on the world map of Pakistan, where it is located, its neighboring countries, its location, its importance of the location of Pakistan, looking into the latitudes and longitudes. And when we are going to study the natural topography today, we will be discussing northern and northwestern mountains. So in this chapter, we'll be discussing the land of Pakistan. As you can see, this is the location of Pakistan. And Pakistan has great strategic importance. It has a lot of significance because it lies in the center of South Asia. And if we can see that it has Jinnah Terminal, which is located in Karachi, the Karachi airport, Jinnah Terminal, it helps Pakistan to get connected with the West, with with Asia by air. Then it has a warm seaport, as you know that the Arabian Sea is a warm seaport, so it helps, it remains warm throughout the year, so the trade can take place throughout the year. And that is the reason CPAC under CPAC, the Gwadar port is being developed, and it is a favorable location. Then we have the Karakoram Highway, which connects Pakistan with China, and it is the main trading route between China and Pakistan. And then we have an easy access to Central Asian states and Afghanistan. Via Afghanistan, we do not have a direct link, but through Afghanistan, we go to the Central Asian states. And as we know that Central Asian states and Afghanistan are landlocked countries, they do not have any access to sea. So therefore, they use the sea routes of Pakistan for trade purposes. On the other hand, Karachi is the central harbor where the ships, they also stop for refueling purposes because it is in the center of Asia. So therefore, we can see that it has a huge importance, and it is connected to Europe, and then it is also connected to Iran and Turkey through the RCT highway. Then it is connected to the Middle East countries through the sea routes, and then to the Southeast Asian countries and to the Central Asian countries and to the Southeast Asian countries. So now let's look into the map of Pakistan and see the neighboring countries. It's very important for us to know the neighboring countries and where they're located, because these questions usually come in your objective part, where you have to, when the map is given to you, the map of Pakistan is given to you, and you have to locate the neighboring countries of Pakistan. So for that, you need to know the location, that where it is located. Like China is located in the north of Pakistan. Then we have India in the east. In the southern part of Pakistan, we have the Arabian Sea. In the southwest, we have Iran. In the northwest, we have Afghanistan. And also we have the Central Asian states. Now this strip of land is known as the Wakan Border. It is a strip of land which lies between the three countries, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and Pakistan. And the border between Pakistan and Afghanistan is known as Durian Line. Now, if you look into this map of Pakistan, it is very important, and you need to know the longitudes and the latitudes which are passing through Pakistan. And this dotted line shows the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north. Remember that with the latitudes, we will be writing degree north, and with the longitudes, we will be writing degree east. As Pakistan lies in the northern hemisphere, therefore the latitudes we write degree north, and as Pakistan is located on the eastern side of the prime meridian, so we write degree east. Other than that, this can only help you if you know the scale between which latitudes is Pakistan present and the longitudes. And with the practice of the map work, you will be able to do this. Okay, so now we come to the land of Pakistan. The land of Pakistan, as you can see, it's in the southern Asia, bordering the Arabian Sea, with India on the east and Iran and Afghanistan on the west, China in the north, as we have seen in the map. The bordering countries are Afghanistan, China, India, and Iran. Pakistan lies between, this is the latitude, the range 24.50 degree north and 36.5 degree north latitude, between 61 and 75 point east longitude. This is the range of the longitude, and its total area is 7,96,096 square kilometer. Now we look into the Durian Line that we've already discussed with the map. The boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan is known as the Durian Line, and since it was marked by Sir Mortimer Durant, who helped to demarcate it in 1893, so it is around 2,240 kilometers. And to the northwest of Pakistan is a narrow strip of land belonging to Afghanistan, which is known as the Wakan Border, and it is in the northwestern border from Tajikistan. So that is a narrow strip of land which lies between the three countries. Now we are going to discuss the importance of Pakistan's location. So the importance of Pakistan's location is that it is one of the Islamic countries. It lies in the center of the Islamic world. Now, Indonesia, it lies in the southeast, the Gulf states are in the west, which include the Middle East countries. The Central Asians are located in the northwestern side of Pakistan. Bangladesh in the east. These are all the Islamic countries which are located near Pakistan. Among these countries, Pakistan has an atomic technology. As we know, Pakistan is one of the countries which is the only Islamic country in the world which has a nuclear power. Pakistan, it enjoys a key position in South Asia because it is linked with by land to the north and northwest due to the mountain ranges and harsh climate. The Khyber Pass, it provides the route to Afghanistan. Then we have the Khunjra Pass and the Karakoram Highway, which connects China to Pakistan. So we have strong communication links with China, which has helped to promote trade and tourism industry between the two countries. Other than that, we have to the north and northwest, the areas are landlocked. So Pakistan's seaport of Karachi and Gwadar can also serve these areas. As these are landlocked countries, Afghanistan and the Central Asian states, therefore the seaports of Karachi and Gwadar plays a very important role in serving these areas. Pakistan's coastline on the Arabian Sea, it is of central position for trading by sea, both with South Asian, Middle East, Far East countries. Far East countries consist of the area countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia. All these countries are located in the Far East. And from the Middle East, we use the Suez Canal to get connected to the Western world. Karachi is a natural harbor. It has a warm seaport. It is a warm seaport. It remains warm throughout the year, and it is used for the refueling of the ships. Other than that, we have the Jinnah terminal, which is of great importance because it has an international airport. And to the northwest, the Central Asian state, they have untapped power resources. They're rich in natural gas, and therefore it helps. They use which can be easily transported to Pakistan, Iran, to South Asian and to the Southeast Asian countries. So by constructing pipelines are being set up, which will connect. Which will help us to transport the natural gas. The gas pipelines are being set up, which will help us to transport the natural gas to the South Asian and the Southeast Asian countries. So this shows that this is the location of Pakistan, and usually the question which comes is to explain the importance of the location of Pakistan. And mostly this chapter has map-related questions in which you have to locate the longitudes and the latitudes, the Tropic of Cancer, the provinces of Pakistan, then we have the neighboring countries of Pakistan, and other than that, the main cities. So these are the main cities which are a part of your syllabus. That is, as you can see in the map, we have Nokundi, Gwadar, Karachi, Hyderabad, Multan, Lahore, Sakhar, Gujranwala, Sialkot, Jhelum, Pindi, Peshawar, Muzaffargarh, and Srinagar, Skardu, and Gilgit. So these are the main cities that you should be knowing where they are located, because these are a part of your syllabus.